Ever wondered what Mickey Mouse would whip up for a healthy breakfast? Picture this. You've just woken up, the sun is shining, and you're ready to seize the day. But first, breakfast. The most important meal of the day, as they say. But what makes a breakfast really stand out? Nutrition, of course, but taste too. And who better to guide us on this culinary journey than our favorite cartoon character, Mickey Mouse? Today we're introducing the first meal of our Mickey Mouse-inspired day of healthy eating, Mickey's Magical Oats. This isn't your average bowl of oatmeal. It's a symphony of flavors and nutrients designed to power you through your morning. Let's break it down. Our main ingredient is oats. Oats are wonderful for breakfast as they're rich in fiber and can help keep you full until lunch. They're also a great source of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. To that, we're adding almond milk. Not only does almond milk add a creamy texture and subtle nutty flavor, it also brings its own health benefits to the table, such as being low in calories and high in vitamin E. Next up, we have chia seeds. These tiny powerhouses are packed with fiber, protein, and omega-3 fatty acids. They'll give your oats a delightful crunch and a massive nutritional boost. For a touch of sweetness, we're drizzling in some honey. Honey not only sweetens our dish, but also offers antimicrobial and antioxidant properties. Finally, we're topping it all off with assorted fruits. Think vibrant strawberries, juicy blueberries, and ripe bananas. These fruits not only add a burst of color and flavor to our oats, but also provide essential vitamins and minerals. Now, let's get to the preparation. We start by soaking our oats and chia seeds overnight in almond milk. This allows the oats and seeds to absorb the milk and become wonderfully creamy. In the morning, we stir in our honey for sweetness. And just before serving, we top our oats with our beautiful assortment of fruits. And there you have it, Mickey's Magical Oats, a delicious and nutritious way to kickstart your day. Now, let's see what Mickey Mouse has in store for a healthy lunch. Picture this, a meal that's perfectly balanced, providing you with the energy you need to power through your afternoon. That's precisely what Mickey Mouse has planned with his second meal of the day, the wholesome salad. This isn't just any salad, mind you. It's a symphony of flavors and textures, each ingredient carefully selected to provide a nutritional powerhouse of a lunch. Let's start with the base of our salad, the mixed greens. They're not just there for color, they're packed with vitamins and minerals essential for our health. Then we have our protein source, the grilled chicken. Light yet satisfying. It's the perfect complement to the crisp greens. Next, we add the cherry tomatoes, cucumber, and olives. Each one contributes its unique touch. The tomatoes with their sweet juiciness, the cucumber with its refreshing crunch, and the olives with their rich savory flavor. And let's not forget the feta cheese, adding a creamy tang that takes this salad to the next level. Now onto the homemade vinaigrette. It's not just a dressing, it's a flavor enhancer, tying all the ingredients together. With a few simple ingredients, olive oil, vinegar, mustard, honey, salt, and pepper, you can create a vinaigrette that's light, tangy, and utterly delicious. And here's how Mickey puts it all together. First, he grills the chicken until it's perfectly cooked, with a lovely char on the outside and moist, tender meat on the inside. While the chicken is cooking, he chops the vegetables, making sure each piece is bite-sized for the perfect salad experience. Once everything is ready, he tosses it all together with the vinaigrette, making sure every leaf and ingredient is coated with that delightful dressing. Voila, Mickey's wholesome salad, a meal that's as filling as it is healthy. This isn't just a salad, it's a lunchtime delight, the Mickey Mouse way. So, are you ready to give it a try? Remember, good health starts in the kitchen, and with Mickey's recipes, you're always in good hands. Ever curious about how Mickey Mouse would wrap up the day with a healthy dinner? Let's dive into the world of wholesome culinary delights with our favorite character, Mickey Mouse. After a long day of frolicking around, Mickey knows the importance of a light yet nutritious dinner. It's the last meal of the day and it's crucial to make it count. Our third meal for today is an absolute stunner, Mickey's Superfood Stir Fry. This delightful dish is packed with the goodness of superfoods and a dash of Mickey's magic. Let's break down the ingredients that make this meal so special. We start with quinoa, a high-protein, gluten-free grain that's a perfect base for our stir-fry. Next up is tofu, a fantastic source of plant-based protein. This versatile ingredient adds a delightful texture to the dish. But what's a stir-fry without some colorful veggies? Bell peppers and broccoli not only add a vibrant touch, but also bring a host of vitamins and minerals to the table. A clove of garlic adds a punch of flavor, while soy sauce and sesame oil lend an authentic Oriental touch to our stir-fry. Now let's get cooking. Start by preparing the quinoa. Rinse it thoroughly, then cook it in a pot of boiling water until it's fluffy and tender. While the quinoa cooks, it's time to stir-fry the tofu and vegetables. Heat a splash of sesame oil in a pan, add the tofu, bell peppers and broccoli, and stir-fry until they're slightly charred and crispy. Once the quinoa is ready, combine it with the stir-fried tofu and vegetables. Add a dash of soy sauce for that extra kick, and a sprinkling of freshly chopped garlic for a burst of flavor. Give everything a good mix and voila! Mickey's Superfood Stir-Fry is ready to be served. And that's Mickey's Superfood Stir-Fry, a perfect end to a healthy day of meals. Take a page out of Mickey's book and make your dinner light, nutritious, and absolutely delicious. So we've seen Mickey Mouse prepare 3 incredibly healthy meals today. Let's take a moment to recap. For breakfast, Mickey whipped up some magical oats. Packed with whole grains and fiber, this is the perfect meal to kickstart your day and boost your energy levels. Then for lunch, we had Mickey's wholesome salad, a medley of fresh veggies and lean proteins. It's a delightful dish that provides a balance of nutrients to keep you going through the day. And finally, for dinner, Mickey cooked up a superfood stir-fry. Light yet satisfying, it's full of antioxidants and essential vitamins, helping your body repair and rejuvenate overnight. Each of these meals, apart from being delicious, offers a wealth of health benefits. They're designed to keep you energized, nourished, and satisfied throughout the day. Mickey Mouse shows us that preparing healthy meals can be fun and magical. Here's to a healthier and happier you.